Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning. Got my daughter Hannah with me today. There is a new suspension bridge they just installed at Mohican, and we're gonna go check it out and try to make a cool video of it. So it is Monday, August 26th.
Is that Monday?
Guys, let me finish. It's Thursday, August 26th. Why did I think it was Monday? Oh boy. Yeah. 8:50 a.m. Whoa. The goal is to hike down there, get some cool pictures and video and drone footage of the suspension bridge. Let's do it.
Woo!
Woo! All right, pulling up to the gorge. It's gonna be gorgeous today. We've reached the mountain top. So now we're gonna try to find,
I'm just putting me in.
Gen Zers, am I right, guys? So now we're gonna try to find the trail and hike down. Hopefully it's not 2,000 feet in 1,000 degrees. Okay, I feel like I'm on my first day of school. I've got my new backpack. So it's like kind of raining down these,
Oh, that's weird.
if you hear it,
Yeah.
sounds like rain.
That's weird.
You're weird.
What'd you say?
I said you're weird. All right, so I'm using this gimbal, Osmo 3. That works with your smartphone. Hey, let's lock my car. I'm sure it's a safe area, but.
So no bears getting in there.
Right, I left out peanut butter jars, so they love those. This is my new backpack. Strap, seatbelt, covers the gut a little bit. Pretty cool. Holds my drone, camera, gimbal. Pretty sweet. Let's go. Gorge Overlook Trail, 2.5 mile loop. This trail is steep and challenging. It should not be attempted by those with physical limitations. Proper hiking shoes required. We look cute. Danger, hazardous cliff. Huh.
Is that the one we went on though?
Have not been down this trail yet. It's a little slick from rain from yesterday, but yeah, so all that light stuff will be pretty slippery. Okay, it's a little slick from previous rains, so you gotta go slow. Still back there, Hannah? All right, she's still back there. Yeah, there's the cliff. It's no joke. Just pretty much straight down. You just wanna respect that. Okay guys, we just went through this hike. That was so dangerous and fun. Like, foot long, that's a foot. Foot long. And it's wet from the rain, and it's slippery from like the fog this morning, so. But we have made it. Here is the bridge. Wow, that's cool. Whew. Wow, that is suspension-y. Whoa, hold on to the ropes. Okay, sweaty, I'm glistening, I'm glowing. So I'm gonna try to get some footage of this with the drone, staying away from the cables, of course, because that metal will probably throw it haywire. Yeah, let's try to get some shots of it. Okay. Okay, check my heart rate. It's like 180 beats per minute. That's like just straight up. If you're looking at the gorge, you're gonna wanna go down that path. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully I got some good shots in the video. Put some color filters on it, some cool music behind it. And hopefully it goes viral because that was a lot of work. So share it out. If you see it, help me and my daughter and our family by becoming YouTube famous. I don't really care at this point, I'm so tired. But okay, y'all, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video.